The Noida police have now filed a case against 8 people, including journalists and Congress leader Shashi Tharoor, for allegedly misreporting and spreading disharmony during the clashes between the police and protesting farmers on Republic Day. Journalists like Rajdeep Sardesai, Mrinal Pandey are all named in this particular case. Let's go across to Alok Pandey now for more. Alok, this case was filed by a concerned citizen in Noida, and the police have filed an FIR. Are they expected to take action soon?
Well, I'll put it this way. The case was filed by a gentleman who claims to be a concerned citizen who was aghast by the events of the 26th of January. The first accused in the FIR is Shashi Tharoor, the Congress leader and the MP. The second accused is Rajdeep Sardesai. And then you have 4 other journalists, 5 in fact. And then you also have unknown, which is the last column in the accused, meaning that the police, depending on their investigation, can choose to name anyone else who they feel can be part of their investigation. The case has been filed under very serious sections of the law. Sedition is a very serious section of the law. In ideal case, it should be rarely invoked. But in UP, I guess the rules are a little different. And then you have other sections like criminal conspiracy and promoting enmity on grounds of religion, etc., etc. So these are serious sections of the law. So one would assume that the investigation in the case will start. It has to be remembered that whatever, irrespective of whatever is said in the FIR, you have to prove everything through an investigation and then in a court of law. So that is a long process. One more interesting thing about this entire FIR is that in a complaint, you see, you and I go to a police station, so we file our complaint saying, bhai, ye hua, and then the police looks at the complaint and says that this is the case or these are the sections of the law that it attracts. In this case, the complainant, the concerned citizen, has gone and filed an FIR detailing what offences he thinks are made out under IPC sections of the law, and then the police have gone ahead and invoked the same sections in their FIR. So the complainant has told the police what to do, and the police has done exactly that. So that is one point that needs to be remembered. I think the other thing also that one certainly needs to question, Gargi, is this application of serious charges like sedition and even the National Security Act in some other cases. I mean, we've had, like I was saying in the 8 AM bulletin also, we've had cases here where there have been robberies. And police superintendents, no less, have held press conference to say that we are going to invoke the NSA, which is the National Security Act that deals with national security. Why that is needed, one doesn't know. In this case, of course, there will be an investigation, but I must also point out 10 more seconds that there have been a slew of FIRs against journalists in Uttar Pradesh during the tenure of Mr. Adityanath. One does, of course, remember what happened in Mirzapur, where a report on a midday meal attracted controversy and an FIR against the journalist who did it. Most recently, there's been an FIR against 3 journalists in Kanpur for reporting on some school children not wearing winter uniforms in some school. The government says their version was false.
All right, Alok, thanks so much for joining us with that. So a case filed for allegedly seditious tweets against Shashi Tharoor and journalists.